Simple Mobile offers several tools to block spam calls, primarily through Scam Shield, filters, and a manual block list. Scam Shield is a free built-in call blocker that analyzes incoming calls against spam databases using AI, identifying and blocking potential scams, especially those involving caller ID spoofing. To use Scam Shield, ensure you have the latest version 8.2 Plus of the Simple Mobile app. Within the app or your phone settings, you can enable Scam Shield and customize filters for robocalls, telemarketers, and unknown numbers. These filters use pattern recognition and allow whitelisting or blacklisting numbers. A customizable block list allows you to manually add up to 1,000 specific numbers, providing an additional layer of protection. When a call comes in, the system checks it against databases, your settings, and the FCC's robocall mitigation database. Suspicious calls are either routed to voicemail or silenced, with notifications sent to you, allowing you to review blocked calls. Remember, the effectiveness of these tools improves with user reports, which help update the spam databases. Spammers constantly evolve their tactics, so advanced techniques are essential to stay protected. AI-driven filtering analyzes call patterns and integrates with third-party apps like Truecaller to identify potential spam more accurately. Despite these advancements, challenges persist. Spammers employ advanced spoofing techniques and route calls internationally to evade detection, requiring constant updates to filtering systems. Look forward to holistic spam blocking that includes text messages and apps. Machine learning models analyze patterns to classify and filter spam across all communication channels, providing comprehensive protection. The future brings deeper AI integration with predictive blocking that learns from your call patterns. Global partnerships will create shared spam databases, enhancing protection across networks. Regulatory changes, such as the FCC's guidelines on AI in telecommunications, will likely require more robust features, including end-to-end encryption for secure reporting of spam calls. For example, Simple Mobile benefited from Verizon's 2024 rollout of advanced call analytics, which blocked 500 million spam calls in the first quarter alone, showcasing the effectiveness of these evolving technologies.